Vocabulary, we're going to place that X over the puzzle piece that has integers not in the correct order of least to greatest. So least to greatest is going to be smallest to biggest. So if you have a number line here, we're going to have smallest is going to be down here, and biggest is going to be up here. If we have a 0 here, on the right hand side we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. On the left side we'd have -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. Now, yes, I apologize. We can't really see that. So give me a minute and let me drag this. Ooh, okay. There, that's a little better actually. All right, so now let's put them in order from least to greatest or smallest to biggest. So when we look at this, we are going to have, we have -1 and then 3 and then 6. So we'll have that -1 and then 3 and then we'll have a 6. So those did go in order. Boop, boop, boop. They did go in order from least to greatest. Let's double check and make sure that the rest are incorrect. Oh, wait, we are going to make sure. We're going to figure out the one that's not least to greatest. So that one is least to greatest. So I'm going to put a check, or I'm going to put a star there because that one's a right one. Let's take a look at this next one down here. So we have -2, and then 0, and then 5. That went, yep, boop, boop, boop. That went from least to greatest. That's also going to be good. Let's look over here. -2, -1, and 0. So if we have -2, then -1, then 0, boop, boop, boop. Yep, that's least to greatest. That is also going to be good. Last but not least, -1, -2, going the wrong way, and then -3. We keep going smaller. This one greatest to least. So that is going to be incorrect. I'm going to, I guess, try that. So that one's going to be incorrect. And we're going to put that X through that one because that is not in the correct order. That went from greatest to least instead of least to greatest. And then that's going to be it for the vocab. Great job.